There you go, guys. This is Persian, and in today's video, I'm gonna discuss you about what is a package in Java. So you might get notice or listen to someone that what is a package, what's package, and what it's used and why it is known in Java. So let me tell you, dude, what package is. So package is nothing but a big library of classes and sub packages that you might notice that whatever the methods we use, like main, void main, and different methods, class listener, object listener, square, math, where these come from, we all just include those package, import these package in our program by the syntax import.java. The package name. So the pre-installed packages are Java, Lang, Util, AWT, which have different classes, and more. Many of these packages are there in Java, but you're not gonna learn every one of them. But you should know that how can you make your own package, and there's a way in Java that you can make your own package by the simple syntax. So the syntax says that for creating a package, you should first write the name package, the package name, public class simple, and below everything below this will be considered in a package. And as you import different package, you can import your own package too in your different programs. So these the simplest syntax for making a package, and your package have a simple class which says welcome to package. And there is a slight difference that how you can the this program is running differently because it have a different syntax, my package. So in Java, these kind of programs which have separate packages has a different way of implementation. Okay, it says that to compile you have to write Java -d. D says directory dot the name of the class having void main, and to run like this. So let's just get on to this first and make you try and run this simple program of package. New one. Let me just make it bigger, and it's perfect. Save it. My package simple. Let's just change the name simple because a lot of files having simple. Let's just make it simple 100. I might know that there's nothing in simple 100 over here in my library. Let's just save it. I'm gonna save it like Java C simple. Oh, not Java C over here. Sorry. Simple 100 Java. Just saved, and just get on to the compile section. Before compiling, let me tell you that how to compile. To compile, you should write in Java d.simple.java. I just copy it because it's big stuff. I can get a mistake over here. To the CMD. Let's just get it there. Change the name of it. Just compiled it. Yeah, it's just perfectly compiled. And to call it, we're gonna just copy that to my pack. It's the name, so just paste it. Simple 100. It says hello. My pack doesn't recognize now. Why it just doesn't recognize? We have to check the error. My pack the name was different. My pack was exactly same name. Welcome to package. Okay, just get it right again. My pack simple version not really that just run this command. There is my pack. Can't figure out myself what is the error and why it is over here. Okay, let me pause and find out why is it coming. So I just get on to what was the error. It was just that we have to put in a silly mistake over here. We have to put the keyword Java over here, and this just says welcome to package. So you might get an idea what is package and what is up to. It's kind of stuff like that. Let's just shrink it for a while. Okay. So how can you access other packages which are not listed in your program? So for that, you just need to use a keyword import package.package name. This is one way. Let's just say an example. Let's just say that you have a file A, you have a class A which says a package ppack. Have a class A and just save in a different program with name a.java, and you are in a different program b.java which imports package, which have a package mypack of itself, and import pack dot star means you are importing this package into this class. Okay, this is kind of stuff, and it's pretty much clear to you that how it's working, because you like up to this we are in 24th or 25th lecture. You might get an idea what program is going through. And another way of this package implementation says that if you import package, then only the declared class of the package will be accessible, and this says that you can use a qualified name without importing the package. For example, you have a package pack in the class A. It's a different saving differently, but you are now in class b.java, and in this class you declared mypack, and in class B you make an object of A by using the package name before A. Pack.a obj means it is first go to pack, which is in a.java somewhere else, and find the class A and make its object, and operating the function of message which is declared over here, hello. So our output will be hello. This is all about package, and I hope you get an idea what is package in Java and you create yourself. I want that you should go practice and make your packages of own and import them as soon as you can. So till now, let's say goodbye.